This is Paul with Grasshopper Lawn Care. Just wanted to document my spreading out of seed. I've actually put it out a couple of days ago, but I'm already seeing some of it come up. But this area right here that we're seeing is the side yard. It's my whole yard used to look like this, the whole backyard, side and back. But earlier this year I spread some sun and shade mix back here in the back, and kind of watched to see what came up. It's a mixture of annual rye and perennial rye and fescue, bluegrass. Looked like what ended up being the kind of grass my yard likes is the perennial rye. So that's what I have spread some seed out a couple days ago. Today is Wednesday, October the 17th, and I spread seed out here Sunday. Right here you can see some of the perennial rye that was here from before when I spread that other. See how good it looks back here. I'm too far south for it to have really, shouldn't have been this good, but back here it's so shady that the rye tends to do pretty good. I kind of thought it might, based upon a spot here I have in the front yard over here where the trees have shaded it since I've been here. Right here, of course, the rest of my front yard is Bermuda, and it looks nice. Hard to tell with the sun shining through the trees like this. But the front yard does look nice. Nice Bermuda yard. It didn't used to look this way. 2 years ago it was crabgrass and other stuff. Dallas grass. I got rid of all of that. And now it looks like this.